Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today inaugurated the rural market complex at Sohiong in the presence of Minister CNRD Conrad Doling. Also present during the inauguration were Samlin Malnyang, MLA Sohiong, and Gavin M. Malim, MLA Sora. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister said, "The rural market will greatly benefit the farmers and the government has always endeavoured to extend support and assistance to the farmers so that they can get better prices for their products."
The MDA government will be spending 200 crores to give 5,000 rupees to 4.5 lakh families. And this is not a loan. This is a subsidy for you. But the only condition is this will not go into your personal account. You will have to form a group of 10, 15, 20 people. And based on the number of members, if there are 10 members, you will get 5 into 10, 50,000. If you are 20 members, you will get 5 into 20, 1 lakh rupees into your producer group's account. And this money then can then be used by the producer groups in whatever way you feel important to your group for the benefit of your group. Apart from this very big program called Focus, where we'll be distributing 200 crores to the farmers, we have started many programs under cooperative society movements. Under the milk mission, we'll be spending 214 crores.
Lalu Peter komse, kita mai sibo, belai pada siswa. Henry lah Peter dekat top dekat skor, kita mai siswa kalau tang skor dengar. Kita terhot minut, komse bakmi yang long jumtoi nam terjadi. Masuk telat pada dia semua. Bahasa Malaysia yang pada tang beliau bayar, hayi Malaysia. Ini punya Sohiong. Dan generation yang sem, dan generation itu, pihak long boleh beli. Dengaru, dia sendiri juga senang bahasa Melayu. Nama suara mereka semua Santonis, Mario kelas, Galet Sio, nama email juga di bagi kuah hiyo. Mario kelas Sio, bagi kuah hiyo. Galet banyaram punya kuah hiyo. Iki pagi kini berterus. Ida mai. Sikani kuai orang semua aku teka. Mereka pergi terihok. Kamu tak tahu, kamu tak dia. Tak kamu siapa tu? Lapan kita di kapan? Jadi lapan yang itu kesan, lapan 6 besar tu. Keniru kena berbang nanti kalau Sohiong kena buat makan. Terihok kita kamu tu di. Hendom terdu, hendom tuna, hendom yang hak yang kesan kejombi. Di soal bagangan song, nasutunan semua, kejengsak dua menit lagi, bahasa menit, yang ambil matas ngampap kebun kampar, bila pun semua dengan warnang, yung siya mo kawarnang kasi, dari ia teman beli kayo, dan ia halenda, uci persa 8 siliong, ngaptip ay namay ngaptip, masa juga uci persa. Tinggal pada kamu bahang keblok uci kebenaran kuasa.